Hi, Ken Reynolds back to you again, your friend in the furnace business. And today we're continuing to talk about furnace belts and furnace belt cleanliness. We talked a little bit last time about the wire selection that goes into the furnace belt cleanliness consideration. The most important single thing in furnace belt cleanliness is going to have an ultrasonic cleaner involved. You are going to have an ultrasonic cleaner as part of your furnace belt circuit if you're going to maintain truly a clean operation. Let me show you where the ultrasonic goes. It's not as complicated as you might think. Let's take a look at your furnace belt circuit. As you know, you've got an entrance idler, an exit idler, a heated box, and part of the heated box has a belt return tray. And the belt return tray is below the furnace and includes the catenary, and we'll show you that word spelled out. This is the Webster calls the hanging or dangling part of a chain, is the catenary. The belt has a catenary. Interestingly, the catenary provides the perfect location where you can put an ultrasonic cleaning tank. It gives you the right size, the right access. You've got utilities, part of the furnace anyway, cooling water may be involved. Don't use that in the ultrasonic. Bring in a new line that's going to have deionized, demineralized water of a very, very precise pH that will prevent any degradation of the belt from occurring. It is possible to put a nichrome belt through alkaline water and then put it through 850 degrees, and the coating, the alkalines, are going to dissolve the nichrome. So be very careful in your selection of the water you use. Make sure it's deionized, but use an ultrasonic cleaner as part of your normal preventive maintenance to collect the particles that come off the belt, give them a place to go and be collected, and you can drain them away harmlessly. Thanks. I hope this helps. It's good working with you. See you again soon.